Hello, this is your tutorial on how to create a simple duplex outlet symbol for your bedroom. To start with a duplex symbol, you can see that I have a few over here in my room. I'll just draw this off kind of to the left. I want to make sure we're on the right layer, so we're going to go to electrical. And in electrical, we are going to go up to the draw panel and we're going to select center radius circle. Click anywhere, and we are going to create a radius of 3 inches, so a total diameter of 6. Go ahead and zoom in, get a better look at our circle. And what we want to do is down in our application status bar, we want to go to Object Snaps. Now right next to Object Snaps there is an arrow. We're going to click this arrow and we're going to make sure that quadrant is selected with a check mark. Remember, we can just left click these to turn them on and off. Once we have quadrant turned on, I want you to select the line command. I want you to draw a line from quadrant to quadrant. When we're done, right click, enter. So we have the start of our line. Just go ahead and click that line. We should get 3 modify boxes. You want to put your cursor in the top box. Don't click on it, but just put it there and you'll get a little sub menu. You're going to move your cursor down to lengthen. You're going to make sure your cursor is going up, and we're going to lengthen 1.5 inches. We're going to do the same for the bottom. Put your cursor on the bottom box, select lengthen, make sure the cursor is going down, and select 1.5. Go ahead and hit escape. So now we have just a single outlet, but we want a duplex outlet. So we're going to go to offset. We're going to type in 1 inch, and we're going to offset this middle line to the right, middle line to the left. Right click enter, and this is kind of a special outlet. We don't need a special outlet for our first assignment. We're just working on our duplex. So you can select the middle line and click delete or hit delete, and we have our basic symbol. Now right now this symbol is 3 separate lines. We want to combine all these lines together, so we'll just click and drag a marquee box highlighting all the lines, selecting them. We're going to go to our block panel, and we're going to select the top right hand one that's called create. It might not be top right for you, that's fine. Just put your cursor over them until the little context menu comes up and select create. You can see it grabs our symbol under our name. We are going to call this our duplex outlet, and we're going to pick a point which will be our base point for our outlet, which I generally like to select the middle. Everything else we can keep, and we can hit OK. Once we have this, we now have a block, and you can see when I click this, I now have one central place at which I can click, and I can move this object around, or I can copy and paste. There is your tutorial for creating a simple duplex outlet.